Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change to cash account on Robinhood. So in the lower right hand corner, we're going to click on our little profile image, and inside of here at the top left, we're just going to go to the menu, and then we gotta go to investing. Now inside of investing, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and right here we have account type. Right now this one's on margin, so I would click on switch to cash account to switch the account type to a cash account. Now it's going to be basically tell you the difference, and then it's going to allow you to switch a cash account if you want to. Basically, if you want to, you can follow through the steps that you need to follow through here and switch it to a cash account. But that's pretty simple. It's in that investing tab, and then you scroll down a little bit, we're going to see account type. Whether you're on margin or a cash account already, you will find out there. Then you can switch to cash account here on the Robinhood. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.